My name is Abdul. I'm here from Megagen, and we're one of the sponsors on the ACE Implant Journey course. Our experience with ACE has been fantastic so far. The course has been really interesting. We've seen a lot of clinicians come to the course, ranging from guys that are simply restoring to guys that have already placed hundreds of implants, and everybody is finding a good learning experience. The way that the course is structured is actually fantastic. It allows people to come on board and look at a variety of different cases. It's very interactive, which means that they take a lot more away from it, and they get the chance to work through the CBCTs and doing the planning and how they would go through the case and getting feedback from everyone. So I think it's a fantastic structure to the course. I would definitely recommend ACE courses to everyone out there, because the way the tutors go through the course, the way they've structured the course, it's designed to be a strong learning environment, and you'll definitely walk away. It won't be one of those courses where you've done it today, forgotten it tomorrow. You'll definitely remember everything you do on this course. So I think that's a massive positive.